Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another repairs day video, and today we're working on BMW E70. This is 2008 X5 4.8i, and this Beamer came with a what are typical, I guess you would call them typical problems. There are two codes. One is P2189 and P2187. Those are two common problems on this car. So what we ended up doing is we ended up taking this covers out, or we took the old covers out, and one of the problems is we're gonna try to clean the, whoops, sorry. Interesting. We're gonna try clean the mass airflow sensor. Well, one of the codes is intake air temperature sensor. This car doesn't have it. It's actually right here inside of this. So we try to clean it, and we'll see if that works. If it does, awesome. If not, it's gonna have to buy a new one, mass airflow sensor right here. So another problem is, yeah, we took it apart. We were looking for it. We couldn't find it, so that's why. So the other one is, alright, which one are you gonna do first?
This.
The crankcase valve, or a pressure valve. So there are two of those.
It has so many, maybe 6.
And here's one. Alright, so be careful when you pop it.
That's,
Oh,
okay. See so many
the rubber.
carbons inside. That's
Carbon
finished.
buildup.
That's, yes, you need. See, that's finished. You need change this.
That one is garbage.
And
So there are two of those. The second one
in,
is enclosed here with this rubber. You can just kind of slide off. Alright, take that out. And the same thing here. My dad is using a pick tool to remove the cap.
this side is okay. Okay, this side is okay.
Yeah.
This side is okay.
But when you buy one, you should buy
the
both.
Set.
Yeah.
Set 2.
So we don't have that right now, but we will order that, replace it, buy both new.
Yes.
And then if that works. If not, we're gonna have to replace it.
We clean first with.
That's a throttle body cleaner, and that's a mass airflow cleaner right there.
Yes. And with this, clean this. And that's carbon.
Yeah, there's a crap load of carbon buildup.
So much carbon inside. Take light.
Oh, right there.
No, that's not enough.
Oh. Yeah, there's a massive carbon buildup right there. So you're gonna have to clean that up. I'm not even sure if these hoses are plugged. Maybe even hoses are plugged.
No.
No?
No.
We're gonna have to check that out. All those hoses anyways, to make sure there are no cracks or anything.
We take anyway, we take it. I mean, we take complete down.
Yeah. Alright, so that was just a quick video, just kind of to show where what is, and yeah, that's right there One of them was gone because the car was idling rough and it wasn't working properly. So it shows the codes, and yeah, we did an oil change too. So make sure that helps. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll bring videos every week. We'll try Monday in, Thursday or Friday, but at least once a week. So please subscribe and have fun. Thank you.